I'm going to show you how to use the Accu-Chek FastClix lancing device. With this lancing device, there are no individual lancets to handle or dispose of, making it much easier to use. First, you will need to load your lancing device. For this, you will need an Accu-Chek FastClix Lancet drum. Each drum contains 6 preloaded lancets, so when you load one drum, you're actually loading 6 lancets. Remove the cap from the lancing device. Now, insert a drum, white end first. Push it all the way in. It should fit snugly into place. This part is important. Do not remove the drum until you've used all 6 lancets. Once you remove it, you cannot put it back in. A drum that has been removed will have a visible red line on the side, as shown here. Now, place the cap back on your lancing device. The next step is to set the penetration depth to match your individual skin type. By turning the dial on the cap, you can select the depth of the lancet. Set the dial to 2 to begin with. You may need to adjust the setting a couple of times until you find the right level for your skin type. The Accu-Chek FastClix lancing device has one-click action. To use it, simply press the release button all the way down, like so. This will lance your finger. After each test, you will need to advance to a fresh lancet. To advance to a new lancet, simply push the white lever back and forth once. The new lancet is now ready to use. You'll notice that the number in the white window has decreased by 1. This tells you the number of lancets that you have remaining. When the number shown is 1, you're using the last lancet. After using it, you need to change the lancet drum.